How to fix location on Tinder. Hi guys, it's Mikran from How to Fix Online. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to fix location on Tinder. So without any delay, let's get started. Open Tinder and access profile. Launch the Tinder app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the down right corner of the main screen. Open setting. In your profile, tap on the setting icon located near the top of the screen. Location preferences. Tap on setting to open the location preference where you can manage your setting. You can change your location, so what you need to do is click on location and you can either choose your current location or you can add new location. If you have premium, you can go ahead and add a new location, or if you don't have a premium, just click on my current location so you can scan your location again and it will change your location. If it still doesn't working and your location is still wrong, then just go ahead and uninstall the application and download it again from the Play Store and your app will be set normally. By following this step, your problem will be fixed. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.